Okay, some technical difficulties. I freaking lost all my... I'm so mad. I lost all my footage of recording last time. I guess I got a taste of my own medicine. I'm so mad. All that good recording just scrapped into the freaking scrapped into the scrap yard. What a shame. But, oh my god, dude. Okay, I'm being serious. I've been so addicted, so welcome to part 2. Welcome to the Matrix, kids. And he's getting the salt to the balls. Oh, poor dude. And this guy, oh, please break that record. No, so close. So close from breaking that record. I broke it. I broke that record. Yes. Now that means anyway, boss me.
Shut your door.
Fine, I'll stop screaming, Mom. Don't mind my mom. She's just sitting in there doing nothing because she's freaking fat. Okay, let's go. Now he's getting the salt to the balls. Okay, again. Poor dude. Now he's getting chainsawed. Oh yes, break that record. You better break that record or I will murder you. Yes, I got a minigun. I got a minigun, baby. Oh, well, I got a minigun. You know what that means. Woo, baby. I got a minigun. I am going to play around with my new minigun and freaking murder every person. Oh, okay. I got a minigun. That wasn't you've. See what a shotgun does. But one more thing I want to freaking test. What was it? Oh my crap, that is so... Oh! Dude, that is so brutal! Pause game speed. Oh, well, that sucked more than ever. As always. Okay, you know what I'm going for. For the Himalayas. Okay, play. Am I going into a teleporter? Oh, crap. Well, yeah, guys, that's been it for this video. I don't know what else to do. If you want a part 3, just tell me. Hold on, I'll do one more thing since last time you guys showed, or actually, you guys haven't seen that, but, make sure to go and check out that one video, my first part, hold on. Yep, so see you guys later, I guess. I'll do one more thing before I go. And that says, goodbye.